What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to be doing a battery change on a Honda remote. This remote fob is going to take replacement battery CR2025, and we're also going to be using a quarter to help get the remote open. So if we look on the back of our remote, we're going to see this little access cap right here. What we want to do is in the middle, you'll see that notch there. Put your quarter in there, and then you're going to turn it to the left or counterclockwise till this little arrow lines up with that circle. And then once you have that, that little cap will come off. And in that cap is our battery. So go ahead and remove the old one. We'll grab our new battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side touching this cap. So we're going to put the plus side down like that and snap it in. And then we'll go ahead and put the cap back on. To get it on, you'll line the arrow up with the bottom, that bottom circle right there. And then use your quarter to turn it back up to that one. And that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.